Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. It is quite a nice bright day. It's a lot warmer today as well. We are going to have some quite mild and warmer weather the next few days. I think it's getting up to about 12 degrees by Sunday or Monday. I think I might be able to start getting out in my garden and doing one or two things that I need to start, well, to tidy it up really from there's quite even though it's been winter and that, things don't grow except the weeds. There's quite a lot of weeds been coming up in my garden all over, and there's lots of rubbish blown in the garden from here, there and everywhere. That I usually have to do this every year at the start of the better weather, is clear all the rubbish that's coming out of that gets into my garden, that blows in. But that's a few days off. I'll see what it's like. I hope it's not going to go back again to the really cold weather when we start getting some nice bright days like this. But anyway, I am on with this 20-inch cardigan. I now have the back. The back done. It's getting a little bit bright coming in from my window there. When the warmer weather start getting the warmer weather, I'll be downstairs in my living room a lot as well, because I like to be up in this workroom in the winter because it's the warmest room in the house. I don't have to worry about how high or low my heating is. I keep it on 18 degrees. That's, it's a recommended thing. In fact, sometimes it gets a bit too warm in this house, but I'll open the door or something. I'll open the window and let some of the air out. But when it gets a little bit warmer, I'll start using my living room a bit more. And when I'm in my living room, I can see a lot more of what goes on outside. Not that I'm particularly nosy, but when I'm stuck up, because this room is in the back part of the house, so I don't see what goes on at the front when I'm up here. In fact, sometimes I don't even hear people knocking at the door. The young girl next door, if she has any parcels, delivered and she's not there, I always take them in for her. Well, I've had a parcel for about 2 days for her. And I did try a couple of times to knock on her door, and all the lights were on. It was a night time, all the lights that were on in the house, but I couldn't get an answer. And then I noticed the car wasn't there. But anyway, she knocked this morning, and I was up here, and I never heard her because the door was shut, and I never heard her. It was just, I kept going every so often and looking out the window to see if the car was back, because the kids are on holiday. That's what's called half term for anyone that doesn't know the holidays in this country. And then I noticed the car was there, and I thought, I'll pop next door with that parcel because I've had it for 2 days and I'll try again. And it was a partner that answered the door, and he took the parcel. He said they'd been away for a couple of days. It had somewhere had a couple of days away anyway, and that's why they weren't there when I knocked. And I says, "I told her I knocked at your door." I says, "And all the lights were on." He says, "Well, there's a friend been coming and putting the lights on of a night time." I says, "He's put all the lights on. Every single light was on in your house." I says, "The living room, all the bedroom ones, the passage light I could see, and I says down the side I could see your light at the top of the stairs was on." I says, "You only need the living room light on to make people think you're in." But anyway, that was one parcel off my mind, because I kept wondering, I hope there's not something in this parcel that they're urgently waiting for. And apparently they had knocked at my door this morning and I hadn't heard them. That was when I seen the car. I thought I better go and take it. But anyway, this is the back and the 2 fronts. I do rabbitt on about other things when I'm trying to tell you what I'm doing with this. So I've got the back and two fronts done, which I finished one of the fronts off at the my bingo last night, and I've just started on the sleeve. But I'm doing a little bit. This is from my crochet channel anyway, but this is the last thing I have to sort out. I've put the zip, I've stitched the zip on, and I've now got the lining pinned in ready, but I thought I'd done enough of that. I'm going to leave that for tomorrow morning, do another thing, and that I want to do some of my knitting. But I was at bingo last night. I never won anything, but my friend won a £20 house. Then she won a £5 line. So we had £25 to share, which was £12.50 each. Better than nothing. It didn't pay for the night, but any money that I win, I have a jar in my kitchen, and any money that I win at the bingo goes into that jar, and it goes to pay for my other bingo nights. And if I run out of money in that jar, any cash orders that come in, that goes into that jar, and that helps to pay for my bingo and what I do on a Monday, go to knit and natter. I only buy a cup of coffee and maybe it's a sandwich. Sometimes that's all, I get when we go there later. But I do have a meal on the first Thursday of every month when we go to the bingo, and they do cost quite a bit, so that comes out of my jar as well. That's just me and my friend go for just once a month, on the first Thursday in the month. But it will be the last Thursday in this month, because we got a ticket the last time we were at a place called the Percy. That's where we go. We got a ticket. I think it was a Christmas time we were there. Yes, Christmas time we were there. And it was a coupon for, we could either get a free tea with a meal. It has to be with a meal. We could either have a free tea, coffee, or a pudding with whatever we are getting. And we were going to spend it on the first Thursday of February. But I think there was a funeral into the pub, so we couldn't get there, so we couldn't use it, so we had to go somewhere else. So I said to my friend, we'll wait until the last Thursday in the month instead of the first Thursday, and we'll go there for our meal. We are not going to waste that coupon. But we went to another place last week, and we got coupons there for a certain percentage. I think it's about 20% off if we bought a meal within a certain time. So we've got that for the next place we go to. Another place we go called the Engine Inn. So we like to use these things. But when I was at bingo last night, they were all talking, the girls and that, and they're going on about Prince Andrew. And I said, what about Prince Andrew, right? What's happened to him, like? I thought he had died or something. But you see, and Anne says to me, how are you, Sheila? It's been on the television. She says, since 4 o'clock this morning. I says, Anne, I'm in bed at 4 o'clock this morning asleep. But she says it's been on the television all day about it. I says, about what? I never watch the television. How are you? What about Prince Andrew? He's been arrested. He's in jail. I says, about time, isn't it? And they were laughing. I says, look, I'm not bothered about the royal family. I says, the only thing I've got in common with the royal family is, I says, I happen to have been born on our late Queen Elizabeth's birthday. I have the same birthday as she had. I says, anything else I couldn't care less about the royal family. I says, sick of hearing about Harry and Meghan and... But I says, my television's never been on for months, and I don't watch my television. It's just a load of crap. There's never anything on it I want to watch. I says, if I want to see anything on the television, I says, I just use the television thing on my computer and watch it on there. I watch all those free channels like You and Plex and a lot of other ones. I can't remember all the names of them. But I just go through all of those looking to see what there is to watch. I prefer a lot of the older shows, actually. I don't care a lot of the more modern ones we have on these days. So that was a little bit of the chatting at my bingo last night. And I'll be glad when we start getting some lighter nights when I drive up to pick my friend up. I leave the house. It was still dark last night. I leave the house about 20 to 7 to pick my friend up for 7:10 and then get up to Molly's for 7:15. Yes. It's about 7:10 when I pick Anne up, and then we've got another 5 minutes up the road for Molly. But the traffic was terrible. I don't know where it was all coming from. At that time, I think people would be out of work. You know, that's where if you travel around 5 o'clock, there's a lot of traffic then because people are coming out of work and that. But where they were all coming from at the time I was going out, and the lights off the cars and blinding you, and some of these lights are terrible on the cars. And it's not just me. My granddaughter has complains the same, and she's a lot younger than I am. It's not my age. So that's all I've done really in knitting is this. And I will be doing a little cardigan to go with this little hat that I've done for I'll have to sort out the pattern for that and put the hat on the little rosebud lace cardigan pattern. I'll need to get that sorted out. That's all I've done in knitting. I didn't even do any of mine last night, but by the time I came in and looked on my computer I look more on YouTube than television things. In fact, there's a lot more interesting things on YouTube than there is on the television. So that's my little bit for today. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.